and keep cheering me on. Go ahead, keep cheering me on. Wait, why are we putting it in the bathroom? Why not we not putting it in the shed? I feel like that's where it should go. But you know what? My family is actually just so supportive. I love it already. Okay, there you go. That's your mom in the kitchen. Okay, mommy. I am finished. Go ahead and play, in the garden. Alright, great. I'll be you can walk around in the garden. Alrighty. Awesome. Now what can we do? Wander around the house and wait. Baby. Oh look, are you guys actually sitting there? I love that. Oh, that is beautiful. Hey, Yo-Yo. What's It's to the dining table. Can I continue talking to my siblings? Stop, thanks for getting us food. You should rest up after you eat. Thanks for digging up the Gotta look out for you. Join everybody has their little toys. I love that as well. That's so cute. Anyway, is that our Okay, good night, everybody. No problem. Sure thing. Hey, I can roll up the windows instead, right, Netta? That's me, by the way. Over here, already did the rocks, It's my turn to help out those little ones. Right, Netta? There's a hammer Can I talk to you? No, you really rested up. I love that the siblings actually like taking care of each other. They're like, yeah, wait, they already did this. Go ahead and get the Again, like I said, if you guys things are not true down, but like I'm literally getting attacked because they're just so amazing. Oh, thanks for voting us. Oh, is it? It looks pretty. Oh, there we go. Oh, say Molly, are you sure about that? Okay, it just fried our system. Okay. Oh shit.
자, dostcie, nie dostcie.
Hey, how about ASAP?
Nie dostciata.
Can be a bit tricky with this. The wind is going to go up. I'm sure we got this. Don't worry, it's down here. Those things are powered on. Don't worry, everyone, stay calm. Don't talk to me, I guess. Should I be concerned that it's literally electrocuting right now, having some electric currents coming out of it? Do I have any